welcome back to my channel, Miss Teen Vega. So today we're gonna learn a new topic as environmental champions that we are. Let's talk about littering. What do you know about littering? Well, littering is when you actually throw away trash anyhow, anyway, as you feel, without actually putting it in an established bin by your society, community, or government. And so that little trash, whether it's on the beach or the community, an animal or wildlife actually gets really affected by it. Did you know that they get tempted to eat a plastic thinking it's food? It's the fish, it's the turtles, it's many more animals that suffer through thinking it's regular organic food. But we can do more as environmental champions. There's the 3 steps we like to call recycle, reduce, and reuse. Recycling. Recycling is actually using the same material product into a different form. For example, if you take a cardboard or paper, it can be recycled back into a new product of recycled paper. Or even your aluminum foil that you see at home that's used to pack up your lunch, it can be recycled into a new sheet or form by high-tech companies. Or even your glass, it turns from one color to another color. For an example, your glass, your tumbler, into a wine glass bottle. So recycling can come in different forms for different products, but the main 4 materials that you can recycle is paper, plastic, metal, and glass. Those are the 4 most recyclable materials in the industry or in the world as we live in. Enough about recycling. What is reducing? It's about limiting or reducing the amount of things that you use on your daily basis. For example, your tap water while you brush your teeth. You put it in a cup instead of letting your tap run. You're saving water. Or not actually using or buying cool drinks over and over again just to dump it in a bin and trash. You use your same regular water container that you bought in the store on a daily basis. So that's what you say. You tell me this whole time I can reduce litter? Oh yes you can, but there's the last R out of the 3. You know it, reuse. Reusing is actually taking the same material container for a different purpose. For an example, you can take your organic litter, such as your carrot litter, organic, whatever your mom disposes of while cooking, such as vegetables or potato peels, you can use into your compost garden as your fertilizer. And that is called reusing. So what can you do as an environmental champion? Well, first of all, you can join an eco club in your school. Have a group of your friends pick up trash anywhere nearby your school, in the environment or nearby your natural reserves in your community or by the beaches. I mean, it all depends. When do you want to save the planet? By picking up litter and putting the animals into safety and out of danger. But there's more. You can at home have your own recycling bins made by you, or even in your school, separating it into paper, glass, metal, and really non-recyclable material. If you want to be that extra special, you can add the organic material bin. And all of that organic material you can use as a compost fertilizer for your garden, whether it's at home, school, or anywhere else. But it's your time to shine and be the environmental warrior. Down below the bio, you will see a form actually asking you to upload your own video of how did you save the environment. Did you have your own recycling bins at home? Did you pick up trash at the bin at your parents' him permission and then taking a video of you doing it? Or did you just simply serve the community by going to a pet shop and taking care of some animals? Let us know how you were environmental king and queen, and send us below, as a warrior that you are, how you save the environment. So thank you so much for joining me in this informational video about recycling, littering, and how to save the planet by eco-friendly. Remember, wherever you go, you can be an environmental hero. Next time, bye!